Hi, my name is James May. I'll be the instructor for this course. I wanted to welcome you and offer you a chance to get some extra credit before we even start the first day of class. Alright, so now you're probably wondering how to get the extra credit. Well, the first thing you're going to need to do is to open up a browser, either Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Once that opens up, go ahead and go to the Valencia homepage. That's valenciacc.edu. And in the Valencia homepage, you have something called Quick Links. Now, at the bottom of the Quick Links is a link to something called WebCT. WebCT is something we're going to be using throughout this entire course, and so you need to get familiar with it. If you have questions, you can click down here where it says Student Help. There is 24/7 phone support. Right here is a number you can call to get a phone support. You can email and get response. You can look at frequently asked questions, but you can always get help. As a student of EAP, you can also go over to Building 4, Room 105, and get help in the EAP lab. Next thing you're going to need to do is log in. When you come to the login screen, you're going to use your Atlas name and password, and you're going to log in. Then what you will see is a list of the courses you are taking. These are the courses I have for the summer. You pick the course that you have with me. For example, if I clicked on this course, that would take us into the course. This goes into our WebCT course. Once in the course, you're going to see a variety of options on the left-hand side. For example, a course content page. Let me show you what the student view will look like. A course content page. This is probably where you'll log in, and you'll see that I already have study guides up there. A link that does an introduction to WebCT, which is what you're watching right now, and you also have the opportunity to do extra credit right there on that main page. I will also send you announcements periodically, welcoming you to class, reminding you about homework and quizzes. There will be assessments. In other words, if I give you a test or a quiz online, this is how you'll go in and take that. There will be periodic assignments that I give you, like a writing assignment where you would I would assign something and then you would submit it through here. You can always click on the calendar to see what's due and what's open. Later on in the semester, we will be doing discussions. In other words, I will post a question and you will respond, not only to me, but to other students as well. You also have SCORM quizzes. You're able to access your syllabus. It is recommended that you access your syllabus and go ahead and print it out. That way you can have it on the first day of class. You also have access to web links and you can check to see who's online. If you're working online, you have a question, there may be somebody else online, you can contact them. This down here in the bottom will also show you your grades as you do things throughout the course of the semester. And so if you ever wonder how you're doing, you can always go down there and click on My Grades to see what work you've done. Now, roster, that's the link you're going to want to click on to put in your pictures. Notice over here, that's my picture. But if you click on students, what you'll see is a list of your pictures. But none of your pictures have been uploaded yet. That's why I'm doing this extra credit assignment. Now, over here it has your names by alphabetical listing. What I recommend, though, is simply to click on the Page Preferences button. And instead of viewing only 10 pictures per page, go ahead and say you want to view 100. Now, everybody in the class will always be listed every time you click on it. Every time you look at a page, you'll be looking at as many pictures as possible. Alright, that should do it. Remember, log into WebCT, go to Course Content, and click on Extra Credit Uploading Your Picture, and that is how you get extra credit before class starts. Good luck!